Welcome back. In this lecture we are going to write the movement blueprint for our character, and before we doing that, just select this and we want to scale it. Go to detail, log, and change it to 30. I think that is better. Now double click on the blueprint TPS character and select the event graph. Before we are going to write start blueprint script for our character, go to project setting. If you do not see, just go to editor, edit, and project setting, and now from here select engine and into input method. Here you can see the bindings. One is for actions mapping and one for axis mapping. As there are three axes, you know that x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. And action mapping is basically when our character performs some kind of action like jump, like fire, sprint, etc. So first of all, select the axis mapping and click on this plus icon, and just from here name it move underscore forward or backward, as our character move forward or backward. And select from here, just we click on this plus icon and assign a key. So look for up arrow key for from keyboard, from up, and down key for backward from keyboard. So select down key. Now again click on axis mapping and now create a move underscore right or left, as our character move forward and backward and also in direction right or left. And just assign a key, right key from keyboard. Just select, again click on plus and assign a key, left key from keyboard. Perfect. As you see, this option scale, that is basically a multiplier which defines if our character going upward. If we assume that this value is increasing, then if our character move backward, we can assume this value is decreasing, so it will be -1. Similarly for right, and also -1. So these are basically the events which we bind or map on the blueprint script. So go to TPS character. If you did not know, just go to your folder which you created, game TPS game mode, and from here double click on TPS character and it will bring you here. And from here select the event graph, and from here anywhere on this viewport, just right click and search for the move underscore axis event, input axis event forward and backward, again move underscore right or left. Perfect. Now next thing, just search for add input movement input, and also search for again add movement input method. And from word direction search for get forward vector, and from here get right vector. Perfect. Now attach the axis value to this and from to this. Now compile it, save it, and run, and press move up key. As you can see, our character is moving forward, back key, for left and right. Perfect. Now next thing which we are want to script that we want to write blueprint for our character camera look. So when we move mouse up and down, left and right, our character see up and down. So for this, again go to project setting, select input, and from here again just and type look underscore up or down, and select the key for mouse Y, and again on create a axis mapping look for look underscore right left, and action key we assign mouse X. So just like F and Y, as our character will look X axis and Y axis, so take it minus Y and plus. Perfect. Now go to the TPS and from here search for look underscore right and left, and also look underscore up and down, and just from here, as we know that the reason for look up and down, left and right is concerned with pitch, yaw and rotate. So search for add pitch, controller pitch input, and also add yaw controller input, and just drag this to this and compile it, save. Is you can see does not look up and down. The reason is that from here spring arm use camera setting and use pawn control rotation. Just save it now, press compile, and here you can see our character is look up and down, left and right. Perfect. Now we want to make just press play. Here you can see when I press play and when I rotate the camera and hold down the up key, you can see our character is not moving forward, it is moving backward while I have hold down the upward key. The reason is that we did not set the direction. So for this, first of all, from here, just from here, search for add rotator, make rotator, and connect this rotator, and also from Z value we will break rotator, and from just unzip and go another get control rotation and connect this to this. Now compile it, save and press play. Here you can see now when we rotate the perfect. Now we are going to make command, select this and press C and name it camera control, just control Z, name it camera control. perfect. And also just arrange these and just bring these here to here and here, and select these, make comment and name it character movement. Perfect. Compile it, save it, and if you want to change the color, just select this and from here select OK and drag it here and just change its color to blue and compile it, save it. Okay, that's it for this lecture. In next lecture we will import the animation into our project. See you in next lecture.